appliances are in, everything except hob obviously, because that we need water tin going, which is I think next week. And so and also we need to fit wine cooler, but that's fine, I'll do that tomorrow. It'll be done. Next step after that is to put all the shelves in the top units, bottom units, clean them out, put the doors on, adjust them. So this part is finished then. Fit the dishwasher and the door as well, ready for other trades to plumb in, etc. Same as it's all dry fitted, it's not screwed. So obviously the electrician's gonna have to connect them up. And then we got a tall unit in pantry to put. We should have unit arriving hopefully tomorrow to fit here to take the water. And we got water to fit there piece with a batten, which is quite simple for the dryer to go on top and the washing machine on the bottom there. So that we're gonna do that as well. Yeah, once I'm done with the other bits to make sure. So plinth can go on, but before I do the plinth, I would suggest to you to fit the dishwasher, because usually you got to trim around where the dishwasher is. So hence why I haven't done the plinth yet, but that is on our list as well. But plinth, to be fair, is one of the last jobs to do. So yeah, that's where we are. I hope you've been enjoying it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Just a little tip how to adjust appliances, either it's a washing machine or dishwasher. Use these pumps or wind bags. They make your life so much easier. So as for all the dishwashers, there's always the screw which adjusts the back, both legs, up or down. And then obviously the front ones you can access from the front. So to get the front up, put the wind bag in, because when it's on its lowest setting, you'll be able to squeeze this in, pump it up, and then you'll be able to easier, without taking load of the appliance, start unwinding the legs to your desired level. So what I've done slightly lower than the actual water will be, so that gives us enough room for all our cables and pipes at the back, and also it infills the void. So you could leave probably 5-10 mil gap. That won't harm, because obviously the door will hide it. Yeah, so as for fitting the appliances, every appliance has got the fitting instructions. Obviously every brand will have slightly different fitting. In terms of pipes at the back, they're all similar. So what we're having here, they come up to the back there in a void. So that's what usually would happen with your appliance anyway. They'll come up, down from the bottom and up into your sink unit, and then connect onto the water supply and your waste for drainage, etc. So, but yeah, as for fitting the doors, this comes as a template. As you can see, it represents where the top is, or the sides, and it gives you where you need to drill holes, because every single, to be fair, one is slightly different with what kind of brackets they use and that sort of stuff. So don't go on autopilot thinking that one fits all. It won't be the case, unfortunately. So yeah, also don't forget, if you are having a laminate worktop or wood worktop, don't forget to have this adhesive strip fitted to underside. What this does, that protects from moisture, because yeah, I've seen a lot of times these haven't been fitted and it just creates that moisture on a unprotected, unsealed surface, and it just damages after a while the worktop. So don't forget about that. Make sure you got that fitted. Obviously in my case that's stone, that's fine, but yeah, usually if it's a laminate or wood, I would stick this to the underside of the worktop, like so. So like so, where steam can get to it, because obviously you will have steam as you open, steam will woof up. So yeah, you want to make sure you protect as best as you can. So yeah, I'll just crack on fitting it in. So I've got it to the height. Remember, if you can, work smarter, not harder. Help with all possible means you have. I've got a couple of the bags. I think depending on the model or brand, they can take up to 100, 130 kilos depending. So hence why I got two. So for heavier items like washing machine, you're probably best using two. Just to be safe than sorry. Because yeah, they do fail. I've tried all sort of brands, they all fail on heavy use in about 6 months. So, but yeah, that's where we are. I hope you find it useful, and I'll catch you in a bit.